Now we come to the second idiom, the promised land. Idiom is one part of English, and if you understand idiom, then you can use it anywhere, anytime. Understand idiom is very important in English. And now we come to the second idiom, the promised land. So what is the promised land? First, I will make one example. I will make one sentence. Then you will understand. For example, Vietnam is the promised land for any English teachers. So what is the promised land here? Promised land here means good land. So what does it mean good land? Good land here means you can find a good chance, a good opportunity to become wealthy, like that. So to understand this idiom, we need to understand the history of Israel. So here there is one person. There is a man. His name was Abraham. Abraham, right? And he was an ancestor of Israelites. Then when Abraham lived with his father in U city. So let me draw the map, then you can understand. So this is just the rough map of this. This country is Saudi Arabia. Right? And next to Saudi Arabia, we have one country here, Iraq here. Now, and this country is Jordan, and this country near Jordan is Israel. Here is Jordan. So Jordan, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and Iraq here. Now let's come back the history of Israel. Then here, this region in Iraq in ancient time, this region is Mesopotamia. We call Mesopotamia. Now, before Abraham lived with his father Terah here in this region. This is Sumer. Actually, Mesopotamia has 4 kingdoms, and Assyria, Akkad, Babylonia, and Sumer. And there is one city here in Sumer, and this is U city. U. So Abraham lived with his father named Terah. So Terah and Abraham lived in U city. So between Abraham and Terah, they were struggle and they have problem. So God called Abraham. Okay, move from U city to Israel. But actually, all name of Israel is this region we call Canaan. So Canaan is a old name of Israel. Then God called Abraham from U city to Canaan. And when God called Abraham to Canaan, then God promised with Abraham, if you come here, right? If you come to Canaan, then I will give you this land. And surrounding lands. This region, very free also. Jordan here also. I will give you this land. And you will become the father, or you will become the ancestor or forefather of Israelites. So God promised with Abraham to give him this land. So that's why this land Canaan we call promised land. And now the promised land become an idiom in English. Then you can use that anytime, anywhere. So for example, I make this, Vietnam is the promised land for any English teachers. I mean that's if any English teacher from around the world, when they come to Vietnam, and Vietnam is a good land for them, good chance for them, good opportunity for them to become to become wealthy. Uh, they can earn a lot of money and they can have a good life here. So that's the real meaning and the origin of the idiom, the promised land. So I hope you can find the love of learning idiom. Thank you so much.